Hi everyone, I'm Ashfaq. In this video I'm going to show you Realme Note 60X remove the pin lock. If you forgot your pin lock, don't worry, I will explain step by step. I will explain, don't skip the video, please watch. The power of your phone, press the volume up and power. After that open the unlock tool, and I already log into unlock tools, so click the Oppo and search the model number Realme Note 60X and select model number and click the factory reset. Wait 1 second. Press the volume down and connect to the PC on your mobile. Your phone is now detect. Oh my goodness. Nice, your phone is totally unlocked. This method also very quick and easy, and this method also remove the Google account and pattern lock, always remove. So this is very easy and quickly removed. Normally set up your phone, and if you like this video, can you please subscribe my channel? Every day uploaded useful video for you.